Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried rice using your rice cooker. The secret to amazing fried rice starts with the rice itself. Always use day-old, chilled rice. This prevents it from becoming mushy. When cooking, use about 1/4 cup less water than you normally would for a firmer grain. After cooking, spread it out on a tray to cool completely for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step ensures perfect, separate grains. Now that your rice is ready, let's prepare the other ingredients. The key to quick and easy fried rice is having everything prepped beforehand. Chop all your vegetables and proteins into small, bite-sized pieces. Heat a large pan or wok over medium-high heat with about 2 tablespoons of oil. Once shimmering, add your aromatics, like minced garlic and ginger, and sauté them for about 30 seconds until fragrant. It's time to bring everything together. Add your chilled rice to the hot pan, using your spatula to break up any clumps. Push the rice to one side of the pan, then pour in 2 beaten eggs and quickly scramble them. Once cooked, mix the eggs into the rice. Now, add your flavorings. About 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the taste. Almost done? Now, add your pre-cooked proteins, such as chicken or shrimp, and your prepared vegetables like peas and carrots to the pan. Stir everything together until it's thoroughly heated through, which should take about 1 to 2 minutes. For a fresh finish, garnish your delicious fried rice with some freshly chopped green onions. Serve your homemade fried rice immediately and enjoy this simple, satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.